Guys, welcome to Bootstrap series course. My name is Wasim and today we are going to start our lecture number 3. Before starting the lecture, I will request to everyone please subscribe my channel, like my videos and share my videos with everyone so that everyone can get this knowledge and make their own websites very easily. Now let's start. As I told you in the last lecture that we will download Bootstrap from the getbootstrap.com. So what I will do is, here you can see the download button is here. What I will do is, when we will click on the download button, then we have to download compiled css and js. Right here you can see the download button. You will click on this download button and you can see the file is downloaded here. As I have downloaded these two files earlier for you guys just for the checking, so you can see this file is downloaded. And furthermore, let me show you, this is the source code, these are the examples. If you want to download these things, you can also download these examples from here. This is Bootstrap Cdn. As I told you, what is the Cdn? So this is the link tag of the Cdn. Here you can see the Cdn is written. So whenever you are going to use this link, you do not need to write or download anything from the Bootstrap. You just have to write this link in your file. Now as I have downloaded this thing, now I will open this. This is in my download folders. I will extract this file. Here you can see the file extracted. Please make sure whenever you are going to download, it should be dist, right? dist dist.zip and dist file. I will open this and here you will see the two folders. One is the css and the second one is js. From here we just need this bootstrap.min.css, and these files we are not going to use these files because in our project we do not use these files. So what I will do is I will delete all the files. Just I need this file bootstrap.min.css. I will delete all the files, and when I will come here in the JS, in the same way we need bootstrap.min.js, right? I will delete all the other files because we do not need those files. Here you can see the CSS and JS folder is complete, right? Now what I will do is I will copy this folder, and on the desktop I will create a one folder. Here you can see we have created this folder web bootstrap with the name of web bootstrap, and I have pasted this CSS and JS folder here. Here you can see this one is the one bootstrap.min CSS and this one is the JS bootstrap.min CSS. Now what I will do is we will use the Dreamweaver here as a editor. I will open the Dreamweaver, and what I will do is here I will open HTML file. Here you can see the HTML file is open, and I will do what? I will go to Bootstrap website, and from here I will download one example just for your understanding. To download the example, I will click here. Here let me show you some examples. These are the examples. You can also use these examples, and if I do not want to use these examples, then in the documentation here we can also use this thing. You can see starter template. So we will start from here. I will copy this thing. Let me copy this and I will paste it in my file. As you can see, I have bold and increased the font size just for your understanding. This is my footer. Here you can see, as I told you, at the end of the footer the JavaScript is necessary to write if we are going to use the Bootstrap. as I write here this bootstrap, right? And here you can see this is the link of the bootstrap. Now you will see here it's written CDN. CDN mean that if we have downloaded bootstrap files, we do not need to use those files if the CDN is written here. But we want to use our files, so I will remove this from here, right? And what I will do is I will write our own path here. So our own path is where you can see on the desktop. Here you can see on the desktop this is our folder, and here I want to save my file. This one is JS and CS folder. So here I will save the file in web-bootstrap file, and I will link this file like cssbootstrap.min.css. So first of all I want to show you the output. So for this purpose I will save this. I will write here the name index.html. Let me show you the output now. Here you can see the file is saved. First of all I will show you the output, then I will attach this bootstrap CSS here, right? Hope you are understand everything. If you do not understand anything, you can comment me, I will answer your questions. Here you can see this is the output is here. Now what I want to do is, first of all I will connect the bootstrap file. How I will connect, I have told you my bootstrap file is in this folder, CSS folder, and the bootstrap file name is this. I will rename this. I will copy the name. I will write here CSS slash the name of the bootstrap file. I will save this, refresh my browser just to show you the output. Here you can see the bootstrap file is connected here. If I want to double check, then what I will do is I will open the console. I will right click here and inspect element. Click on inspect element. The console is open. Now here what I want to do is I want to check whether my bootstrap file is connected or no. Here you can see the bootstrap file is connected, right? You can see the path. Let me show you here. Here you can see the path. This one path is for our file where we have our save our bootstrap file. Now what I will do is we will start the work on it. First of all, the most important thing that we have to do is the container, how we can put the container in the body. So this is my body. So here I will write div class container, and I will close my div. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see the padding is here, or margin from the top or left, right. You can see now why we are using the bootstrap. Let me show you this thing. As you can see, this is responsive, right? Let me show you one thing more. For your understanding, what I will do is I will copy some paragraph here and I will tell you that how you can put the bootstrap on the paragraph. For this purpose, what I will do is here you can see this is the tummy text website. I will copy some text from here. Right, and I will paste this text here in the container div. You can see, right, and here what I will do is I will put the paragraph p. So p is also defined in the bootstrap. P opening tag and p closing tag. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see. Now I will tell you the difference of the bootstrap. Here you can see why we use the bootstrap. This is responsive on any media. You can open this. Hope you understand this thing. As I told you that we use the bootstrap to start the responsive side from the scratch. Here you can see we are working from the scratch and the side is responsive. You can view this on all medias. Hope you understand everything. Now what I will do is, let me tell you one thing more, that if you want to put a small text, how you can put the small text here. What I will do is, in the paragraph here I will write like small. These are all tags I have told you in my HTML CSS series, and the link is on the I button. If you will click on the I button, you can review my HTML CSS lectures. There I have told you all the tags like small, del, each and everything. You can review from there, and if you do not understand anything, you can comment me. Now I have put here the small, and I will refresh my browser. So here you can see this text is small. Hope you understand this thing. And if I will change the media queries, here you can see I have changed the screen size. It is working. Now what I will do is I will tell you the next thing, like if you want some mark on the paragraph, you can also do that. Let me finish this paragraph on here, and here from we will start a new paragraph like this. Now here I want to write here a mark, and I will put here mark closing tag. I will save this, refresh my browser. So the mark tag is what for? This is for the highlight. If you want to highlight any word, any line, then you will put the mark tag, right? This is predefined in the bootstrap. These tags are predefined. I am going to tell you again and again, these tags are predefined. And if you want some text like cross on the text, then how you can do that? Simply you will write here del tag, and also you will write here del closing tag. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see the text is with the cross line. Let me tell you one more tag, like if you want some underline on the text, how you can do that. Now I will refresh my browser. Here you can see the line is here, right? Now guys, this is all for today. If you do not understand anything, you can comment me. I will answer your questions. And in the next lecture, I will tell you more about that, how you can write the div. If you want to div right, left, on, center, you want to show your data on the right side. Each and everything in the next lecture we are going to start. So this is all for today. If you like this video, please thumbs up my video. If you have any questions, you can comment me. I will answer your questions. And once again, if you like my video, please thumbs up my video, subscribe my channel, like my videos, and share my videos with everyone so that everyone can get this knowledge and make their own websites with the help of Bootstrap. Thank you so much.